Hi, this video tutorial will show you how to easily integrate the Bybrand with Google Analytics to add UTM codes to email signature links. In the end, you will be able to track the clicks inside Google Analytics. Let's enable the integration, and then go back to the signature to edit it. In this part, you can see a quick preview of the integration work. In the Manage menu, we will change the source field to Bybrand. Is done, let's go back to the email signature to edit it and add the UTM codes. Look, I'm changing now. The change is complete. Now you can paste the signature into your email client. Finally, when your email signature receives clicks on the links, see how it will appear in your Google Analytics dashboard.